Hi, I'm Justine and I'm project manager in the group Osereru. It's a psychological thriller that allows the user to interact and explore an environment, and through exploration they can discover a hidden secret that's held within the environment that they're allowed to explore. So the game is like a horror, so we're using an old house and it's going to be real video footage, and then there'll be like cutscenes which are just going to be still images of the rooms that the user is allowed to explore, and then they can go around the rooms, and it's going to be heavily audio and visual related because it's a horror. Like, audio makes it a lot more intense, so there's like a big weighting on the audio, and then the user can go around, and in between their exploration there'll be different video clips of the actors that we're using as the ghosts in the story, and they will just like cut in at different points to try and scare the user.
Cool. Okay.
Hi, I'm Connor and I'm going to be the audio manager for our project. Audio is very important for our project because of the horror content. Audio is the biggest thing in a horror. It either makes or breaks the horror, so that's a big job and willing to take it on.
My name's Claire and I'm in charge of the visual directing of our video footage we are doing for our game. I am also in charge of building the booth, which is going to be an enclosed space. I will be working along with Connor for that as well. So our style is going to be dark, shadowy, scary movements, jittery movements. A lot of special effects makeup will be put on our twin girls that we have for our acting. I'm set forward for this role because I have experience through Cavan Institute of digital editing as well, so and I enjoy doing video footage, so I think I'd be good at it. So along with the guys, they'll be able to help me and put into their input as well.
Hi, my name is Rochelle. I'm doing programming with my group Osereru. I think I'm fit for this job because I'm good at programming. I have experience and previous experiences with Flash. I use ActionScript 3 and I've used ActionScript 2.0 as well in programming games and other animations and websites as well. So with our project, we're doing an interactive film. There's going to be, it's an environment basically where you can explore and you can go and interact with the objects. And the only way you can interact with the objects is when you go roll over some objects, they're going to go and glow, and then they're going to, and when they glow, you can go and click on them, and it's going to bring you to a different space, or it's going to show you a close-up of that object. And I have done these things before, and I've already have sample codes for it, so I think that's not a big difficulty for me. And another role I'm doing is I'm doing part audio, and I have experience with it as well. I've used software such as Pro Tools since first year, and I've also used Audacity and Adobe Sound Booth.
Since last time, my role has changed from audio to programmer. I was halving the roles with Rochelle. We were both doing half audio each and half programming each, but since then audio has gone completely to Rochelle, and now I'm doing programming by myself. So now I'm in charge of getting everything together, assembling the whole project and making sure everything works.
Connor and I switched roles. We're still both doing programming and audio. It's just that he's the main programmer now. It's just that he's a better programmer than me. And at the same time, he's kind of deaf, so he's not a very good audio person.
We had our demo last week and it went well enough, even though our file crashed during the demo. The lecturers weren't very impressed with that, but we still managed to pull it off, and they were happy enough with the work we showed them. We've done a lot, and the lecturers could see from what we'd showed them that we've put a lot of time and effort into the project, and they're happy with us so far.
The whole experience of this group project is basically it taught me to work in a group. You know, like, we've already had project management before, but this is like the first time we actually had it for the whole year, and we had to depend on each other individually as well, to work as a team. Like, we had our own roles, but like, say for example, I'm doing audio and Connor's doing programming, and then Claire's doing the design bits for the video. So we had to wait on each other. I had to wait on the video for me to be able to work on the audio for it, and then Connor had to wait for my stuff, for my bit, to work on assembling it together and making the interaction work. And I think that's the main thing that was very important, because like later on in life we'll have other projects if we want to do, say for example, film, or even exhibition games, then we'd be working. It's like our practice ground. Later on, we won't be too surprised or shocked with working with other people. It's just going to be easy for us because we've already done it.
I enjoyed doing the project so far. I've learned a lot from the teamwork. I've enjoyed working in the team that I've been with. Everyone pulled their weight, and it was great to work in a team where everyone shared the roles equally, and the project is coming along smoothly and should be ready for action for the deadline. Personally, I think I've gained a lot of experience with the programming that I've done so far. It has been a big challenge, but I've been overcoming the steps bit by bit, so I'm proud of what I got done so far.
So what are you scared of?
I'm terrified of spiders. Big, hairy, disgusting spiders with 8 legs. No creature needs 8 legs.
Hedgehogs scare me. I don't know why. It's just a thing I have against them. I don't like them. Can't stand them.
Frogs freak me out. I'm not really scared of anything really, because I love horror movies. I love the fact if they make me jump, or if something can scare me, but I'm not very easily scared.
What scares me? Cockroaches. I really, really hate them bugs. They're really scary. Like, and you don't have them here, but in the Philippines, you see, we had cockroaches, and you'd see them little thingies, and they would have this massive eyes, and they just look at you as if they're gonna go and attack you, but they're so small, and when you try and step with them, they're so crunchy, and it's just yuck.